Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to do private browsing in Google Chrome. Private browsing in Google Chrome allows you to surf the web without saving your browsing history, cookies, or site data. This feature is called incognito mode and is useful when using a shared computer. In this guide, you'll learn how to use private browsing in Chrome on Windows. First, turn on your Windows computer, connect to the internet, then open the Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select New Incognito Window. A new dark theme window will open, and look for the incognito icon in the top corner to confirm it. Start browsing normally in this window. Your browsing history will not be saved, or to make sure that it wasn't, click the three dots in the top right and click Delete Browsing Data. Downloaded files will remain on your computer unless deleted manually. Bookmarks you create will still be saved to your account. Avoid signing into accounts if you want maximum privacy. Close the incognito window when finished. All session data from that window will be cleared automatically. Tip: you can also press Ctrl Shift N to open incognito mode instantly. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.